Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to download your personal information in Shein application on an Android device. Well, downloading your personal information allows you to see exactly what data Shein has collected about you, including account details, order history, preferences, and communication preferences. This promotes transparency and help you understand how your data is being used by the company. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application. And now, please open your profile page. Okay, after that, look for the settings icon and then tap on it. Okay, so in this page, you can select Manage My Account option and then tap the last option. Download your information. Okay, so here you can check for this list and then click Create a file. Okay, for the next step, you can click OK and open the mailbox received to your email address. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to download your personal information in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.